Hey guys, welcome back to Fixing It, and today we're going to change the windshield washer pump on this 2009 Cadillac CTS. Alright guys, we're going to check the fuses first. It's saying that this one right here is the washer fluid. The one next to it is for the headlight washer, okay? We don't have headlight washers, so we're just going to check this real quick and see. So we got voltage on the one side, and we got voltage on the other side. So test both sides, make sure you got continuity. So the fuse is good. So let's go and change the pump. All right, the pump is right underneath the headlight, right behind the bumper here. I've seen some people remove the whole bumper. That seems very excessive. I'm gonna try to reach it right through here, through the wheel well. I'm gonna take off the wheel to make it easier on myself. And then we're gonna take off some of these clips and move this liner out of the way. All right, we got Martin playing mechanic. You want gloves?
No, I'm a real man.
Wow, that's stuck on there. All right, there you go. All right, we got the tire off, and you're gonna start by removing these clips. See them? There's a few of them. There's some on top too. So the way you take these off is just take a little screwdriver and pop them, you know, like that, and then you could take them out. There's another one in here. Just try to get... Some of them are like get stuck. There you go. This is another one on top, and there's one more on top of here. There's also one underneath here. Okay. All right. There was another one down here too, but it's missing. All right, you had a couple of clips underneath, and I just took off 1, 2, 3. That's about it. And another one on top, but then you could just kind of take this out of the way. And if you look in there, you can see the pump, okay? All right, I'm just gonna tie this back to get it out of the way. Tie it over here someplace. Let's see. Tie it away from. Good enough. All right, just we're gonna disconnect this, so just push back on this and push up. So that's disconnected, and now we're gonna disconnect where the windshield washer comes in. So put something, because it's probably gonna drip some washer fluid. So this part. Oops. Come on, baby. Just gotta twist it. There you go. All right, I attached the hose because I can't figure out how to stop it from the windshield washer coming off. So we just attached the hose. We're just gonna fill this up so we can reuse it. All right, we filled up one and a little bit of the other, plus everything else was spilled. So now we could just take this off. There you Now the way we take this off, we're just gonna lift it up and take it out of here. So let me get this out of the way. And these wire out of the way. So, all right, this guy, just kind of try to wiggle it loose, because you're gonna kind of lift it up. But first we're gonna just pull it out of here. Just pull it out from the top. There you go, like that. And then you could lift it up. That's it. That's what this little pump looks like. All right, guys, so you got your old pump. This is a new pump, and that's the part number. And this is what the new pump looks like. Make sure it matches. Looks the same, except this one's black. So, all right, let's throw this back on. All right, guys, put in your pump. Make sure this part is sticking out. So we're gonna put it in place. When it goes all the way in, then pop the top. There you go. All right, now you get to plug the wires in. There you go. Make sure it clicks on here. And then take the hose and just push it in place. There you go. All right, let's throw some fluid back in there.
Maybe a little bit more.
I might as well put in the whole thing.
I don't know. Very satisfying.
It's like when you pee, right? When you have to pee really bad. All right, let's test it out. There you go, she's working. All right, guys, so put this back together and just put in your clips. These clips, you just put them in and then you push it like that. Let's see if I find another one. There's one under here, a couple under here. Don't forget those. All right, that's all put back together. Just got to put the wheel back on and you're all done. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.